Hey there, I'm Chris with CITE.biz, and today I'm going to take you through some of the basics of creating and managing teams within Microsoft Teams. Today we'll be using the Teams Windows app, but if you're using the web-based version, they should be similar. Now let's create our first team. We move up to the plus, left-click, and create team. There are a variety of templates available, but today we'll be creating a basic team. Let's give our team a name, in this case, the Dream Team. Descriptions are optional. Next, we'll select the team type. In my case, I have access to both private and public. If you've been granted access, an organization or org-wide option may be available. Next up, we'll add our first channel. Think of a channel like a squad. And finally, click Create. Looking to the left, we'll see our new team and first channel. Now, let's say we want to add another channel. You can either left-click on the three dots or right-click on the team to access the same options. We'll name this one Defense. You can make it private, standard, or shared, allowing you to share a channel with people or teams outside of your organization. For those looking to reorganize your channels, well, as of this video, you can't. They're currently limited to alphabetical order, so you'll have to rename or delete the channel if you want to make any changes. You can reorganize teams, however, because it seems Microsoft had enough in their programming budget for that. Next, let's take a look at managing your team. Once again, look for the three dots or right-click and Manage Team. From here, we can add new channels and check out various settings. We can change the team's name, description, and privacy. We can also upload an image. For best results, make sure the image has a square aspect ratio. Otherwise, it'll squash the image into something that fits. Here you'll find additional settings. Most of these settings are self-explanatory, but you'll want to take some time to look them over for more control over your teams and channels. And we've even got a category for fun stuff. So, if you're the kind of person that hates fun, well, Microsoft has you covered. And of course, what's a team without members? You can search for existing members using their name or email address. This is Nate. He's our CEO, and hopefully not going to fire me after this video. And now we post. And that's all there is to it. If you're curious about CITE and some of the services that we provide, feel free to check out the links in the description below. Also, if you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more.